Elon Musk says he's backing California's controversial AI bill. Elon Musk says California should pass its controversial AI safety bill. I'm just being consistent with what I've been saying for 20 years, Musk wrote in an X post. Musk has long warned about the risks and dangers posed by AI to society. California's controversial AI safety bill, SB 1047, has an unexpected supporter, Elon Musk. This is a tough call and will make some people upset, but all things considered, I think California should probably pass the SB 1047 AI safety bill, Musk wrote in an X post on Monday. The bill, which was introduced by California State Senator Scott Wiener in February, seeks to establish clear, predictable, common-sense safety standards for developers of the largest and most powerful AI systems. Notably, SB 1047 would require AI companies to implement strict safety protocols and a kill switch to their AI models. The bill is set for a final vote in the California Assembly at the end of the month. Backing Wiener's bill, Musk said, is a bitter pill to swallow, but is in line with his own stance on AI regulation. I'm just being consistent with what I've been saying for 20 years. The XAI team is primarily in Palo Alto, so this affects us too, Musk wrote in a separate post referencing the AI startup he launched last year. Wiener and Musk previously butted heads on legislation that banned schools from notifying parents about their child's gender identity changes. Musk's support for SB 1047 sets him apart from his competitors in the AI race. Tech companies like OpenAI and Meta have voiced their opposition against the bill. Amazon-backed Anthropic has given its cautious approval of the bill. However, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei noted in a letter to Governor Gavin Newsom of California last week that there are still some aspects of the bill which seem concerning or ambiguous to us. Musk has long warned about the risks and dangers of AI to society, though that hasn't stopped him from trying to dominate the AI space. Back in May, Musk's XAI announced that it raised $6 billion in funding for their Series B funding round. The mercurial billionaire has also sought to position EV maker Tesla as an AI or robotics company. If you value Tesla as just like an auto company, fundamentally, it's just the wrong framework. And if you ask the wrong question, then the right answer is impossible, Musk said during an earnings call in April. Representatives for Musk didn't immediately respond to a request for comment from Business Insider sent outside regular business hours.